Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Buick Encore Sport Touring all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9426XX. 14,000 miles and there's one owner. Clean auto check history report. Coastal blue metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper in 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Encore is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with a removable privacy cover. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Sport Touring has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the glove box. And moonroof control. Under the hood, this Encore has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.